Why do you feel more tired, foggy, and run down as you age? The answer might surprise you. It's not just about getting older, it's about a single molecule in your cells called NAD+. And by age 60, you might have lost 75% of it. NAD+ is like the CEO of your cells. It doesn't do all the work, but it directs the critical functions that keep you alive and healthy. Think of it as cellular fuel that powers your DNA repair, energy production, and longevity genes called sirtuins. Here's the problem. NAD plus levels decline dramatically with age. Studies show you can lose up to 50% of your NAD plus every 20 years. By middle age, your cells are running on empty, struggling to repair DNA damage and maintain basic functions. So what causes this decline? Two major culprits. First, your DNA repair enzymes called PARPs consume massive amounts of NAD plus every time they fix damage. And as you age, there's more damage to fix, creating a vicious cycle. Second, chronic inflammation activates an enzyme called CD38 that drains NAD plus at an alarming rate, up to 100 molecules per reaction. Without enough NAD plus, your sirtuins can't protect your cells, your DNA repair slows down, and your energy production falters. This is why NAD plus decline is considered one of the primary drivers of cellular aging. But here's the good news. You can restore your NAD plus levels. The secret isn't taking NAD plus directly. That doesn't work. Your body needs specific precursors, like NMN and NR, that can actually get into your cells and rebuild your NAD plus supply. Recent human clinical trials have proven this works, safely increasing NAD plus levels and improving physical performance. But there's a specific dose and strategy that matters. We've only scratched the surface of NAD plus and cellular aging. To learn the complete science, discover the clinically proven doses, and understand exactly how to restore your cellular health, click the link in the description below to read the full guide. And if you found this valuable, please like this video and subscribe to Root Level Healing for more science-backed strategies to take control of your health at the cellular level.